longest time, I have wanted to travel to Japan. Next semester, in 3 weeks, I will finally get the chance to go there on my study abroad program. Hi, my name is Shahzaib Khan, and inspired by my upcoming trip, I have decided to tackle the travel insurance API for this Solartis hackathon. Let me introduce you to Abroad Protector. It has some really nice features, so why don't I show you its magic? Let's go ahead and register as a study abroad coordinator by clicking on this button. Since I've already gone ahead and registered, why don't I just go ahead and log in? Great, this is the home page. Some key features are accessible with this dashboard. We'll revisit it in a little bit. For now, let's go ahead and click on the Students tab. Here we can see the students that are already in the program, but let's go ahead and add a new student. In a true enterprise manner, we are able to add the student and pre-populate some information about her. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the Trips tab. Here we can see I already have some trips created, but let's go ahead and add a new trip. The destination, let's go ahead and make it Japan. And this is going to be for the upcoming fall semester, and the departing state is going to be California. Now that a trip is created, let's go ahead and select the students who will be going on this trip by clicking on their name. Next, we can enter in an estimated cost per student. And from this drop-down, we can select various Solartis plans. Here, the air ticket protector is fine, and then let's go ahead and click on Continue. Now that information that we provided was sent to Solartis, and Solartis is able to give us a quote. On the left, a nice table is rendered for all the different types of categories, and this is coming from Solartis. On the right, we see an itemized list of all the travelers and the costs that are associated with them. Let's go ahead and check out. Click on the Process Payment button when the information has been put in. The payment and all the data associated with it is sent to Solartis. After the payment is processed, we are brought to our trip view. Here we can see that it was able to give us the information like the start and end date for the trip, which is defined by the semester. We also see that it was able to fetch an image, in this case of Japan, and there's a magical imaging library which I'm using to find virtually any city's image and use it in this interface. Let's go ahead and click on View Receipt. This links to the Solartis receipt PDF, and we can see that all the data that we have provided has actually been sent to Solartis, along with the premium breakdown of the travelers. Similarly, we could read the policy by clicking on this link. If we scroll down, we will see a table of all the students on this insurance plan. We can view the policy for a particular student by clicking on View Policy. Here we can also see that all the information for the particular student was passed on to Solartis and that the insurance has been provided. Similarly, there is an email button. If we click on the email button, an email will be sent to the student letting them know that they're insured for the upcoming trip. Here, instead of email, I'm using a development email client to capture the email so we can see what the student would see. In this case, they would get an email saying insurance bought for Japan trip. Hello Kanye West, you're all insured for your study abroad trip. Your travel insurance for your Stanford study abroad trip to Japan has been brought through Solartis. The student will be able to click on the View Your Policy link, and that would bring them again to the hosted PDF for Solartis. Great. Yes, there's one more thing. Let's go back to the home page real quick. You might have noticed that there was an invite box located right here. Well, let's say you're part of a large university. Chances are there are other study abroad coordinators working with you. In this case, I'm working with Lisa. So let's go ahead and send Lisa an invite. Clicking on send invite, we'll go ahead and send Lisa an invite to join our university. This is the email that Lisa would see, an invite. You have been invited by John Doe, in this case, to join the Stanford Abroad Protector online network. Let's go ahead and open it in a new window. So this is the registration page that Lisa will see. Notice that the university has already been pre-populated for us. This is where Lisa would be able to sign up. Great, now Lisa is part of the same Stanford network. For this project, I have worked really hard in making the process as seamless and integrated with Solartis. Buying travel insurance is as easy as ordering an online t-shirt. I encourage you to play around with this dashboard and this website as it's hosted online, and the link should be available down below. Oh, and before I forget, I've also gone ahead and open sourced the PHP Laravel Solartis Insurance Controller, which I used for my application. I have good documentation, and I've also included tests. And as always, forks and contributions to this are more than welcome. Thank you.